A part of a breed of people who live around the clock, by the clock, and with the clock. Thus, proper time management is the key to a successful pursuit of a progressive military career. We should always be responsible enough to know our priorities.
Video to da. Alam mo malinig.
Ayos style day. Duga buhay na sa piyak. Dahil lahat naman sa piyak. Amo na tayo.
If you could check your time, it is now 34 hours before the hour of our graduation.
Wow! Cute! Graduation.